In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the Battle of Warships on your phone, no jailbreak, which gives you unlimited resources. So as you can see, I got $494,000 and 799 million gold. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it, so let's get right into the video. So it's really easy, guys. Just go to the site. It's called hexmods.com, and then just type in Battle of Warships. And as you can see, guys, it says Battle of Warships mod. So press on it and wait for it to download, and now you're rich. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. It's super insane and it fully works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yes, it's super awesome. And I mean, if you go to the App Store and you type in Battle of Warships, you can see it's not really affordable. So let me just show you guys right here. As you can see, I cannot spell, but if we give it a shot again, you can see it's super expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try this out. It's super insane. So yeah, be sure to get the word out. It's super annoying, bro, that they charge for this. Like, what the heck? I don't know why they even do it, but I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe for the channel. This is super insane, guys, and it fully works. So if you're poor, you're really gonna like this method, guys, because it's super awesome. And it's totally updated and everything. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. So subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. It's totally working and everything. So peace out, guys, because this is super insane. And it is updated for all devices and subsystems. So yeah, peace out. This is super cool. And it fully works. So yeah, if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. See you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. Totally working in all things. And yeah, it's pretty crazy. So see you guys in another video, and yeah, peace out, my dudes. This is crazy, my bros.